The strength of your back determines the quality of your life. Hi, I'm Sheetal, and today I'm going to perform some poses and meditation which will help you strengthen your back and reduce lower back pain. Let's begin with a small warm-up. I have sat down in a comfortable position. Now, I'm extending my arms forward in line with the shoulders. I am rotating my wrist up, down, and from side to side. We need to repeat this 4 times. Next, I'm stretching my fingers far apart, relaxing them, and then stretching them again. I'm repeating this 4 times. It's time to move on to the first pose. The first pose which I am performing is called Balasana or the child pose. I am beginning in a tabletop position. Next, I am widening the distance between my knees towards the edges of the mat and bringing my toes together simultaneously. Now, I am flattening the front of my feet by gently pressing them on the floor. Next, I am sinking my buttocks on the heels firmly with my palms. As I am inhaling, I am stretching my arms and allowing my spine to lengthen upwards. I am beginning to lean forward with a soft and slow exhale. While my hands are reaching the floor, I am resting my forehead on the floor. Next, I am closing my eyes and concentrating on my breathing for 3 to 5 repetitions. My head is feeling relaxed and my mind is feeling calmer. Enjoying this feeling of peace and calm, I will be here in this position as long as I'm comfortable. It's truly a great feeling when you gently decompress your spine doing Balasana. You can be in this posture for as long as you feel comfortable. Whenever you feel uncomfortable, go back to the neutral position. For better results, repeat this for 3 to 5 breaths for 2 to 4 rounds each. Our second pose is called Adho Mukha Svanasana or the downward facing dog pose. I am beginning on all fours. I am placing my hands in line with my wrists and my knees under my hips. Now, tucking my toes under, I am pressing into my hands and lifting up my knees, bringing my sitting bones up towards the ceiling. I am keeping my knees and spine straight and gently pressing my heels down. If you find it difficult, keep a slight bend in your knees and lengthen your spine and tailbone. If pressing heels on the ground is difficult, you can keep your heels slightly off the ground. Press firmly into the hands. Just make sure your weight is distributed evenly between both sides of your body, paying attention to the position of your hips and shoulders. Keep your head in line with your upper arms or with your chin tucked in slightly. Notice the lengthening of your spine. Hold this pose for up to 1 minute for 2 to 4 rounds each. If you have high blood pressure or vertigo, please avoid this pose. Whenever ready, return to the initial position and then slowly relax in Balasana or Vajrasana. Let's finish our session with a soothing meditation. Yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Till then, keep growing, keep glowing.